is up, everyone? How is it going? So in today's video, I'm going to show you how to make chocolate crinkle cookies. They look something like this. They are so amazing. They're fudgy, they're chocolatey. They have a nice sweet powdered sugar on top to, get those crinkles. So enough talking, let's get into the recipe. Starting off with the dry ingredients. To my bowl, I'm going to add in some flour, baking powder, baking soda, and salt. Sift it out. I'm going to get my whisk and whisk it up. We're going to set this off to the side. Moving on to the big bowl. I'm going to add my brown sugar, white sugar, eggs, egg yolks, vanilla extract, lastly some oil. I'm going to get my whisk and whisk it up. We're going to set this off to the side. To my other bowl, I'm going to add in some chocolate and some butter. Pop this into the microwave until they're melted. Give it a mix. To this, I'm going to add in some Dutch processed cocoa powder. Alright, looks good. I'm going to bring back this mixture. I'm going to pour in the chocolate mixture. Whisk it up. Add in our dry mixture. Then get my spatula and fold everything together till we have our dough. This is what it should look like. It is a little thin, but we're going to let it sit for about 10 minutes so it can thicken up. It has been 10 minutes and it's gotten super thick. Another bowl, we're going to mix together some powdered sugar and some sugar. Give it a quick mix. I'm going to get my cookie scoop, get a scoop of dough. I'm going to put it onto our tray. Now let's just repeat it. Alright, now let's go bake in the oven. Hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget the recipes in the description, but let's take a little bite. Alright, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.